In 2012, Calderdale College, on behalf of the West Yorkshire Consortium of Colleges, were successful in their bid to deliver the £56 million European Social Fund programme Workplace Learning. Co-financed by the Skills Funding Agency, Workplace Learning promotes in-work progression of employed individuals with low skills. Over the past 3 years, Calderdale College have worked with over 180 training providers throughout the north of England to deliver workplace learning to businesses based in the North East and North West of England, Yorkshire and Humberside, the East Midlands and West Midlands. The programme has been a huge success. Over 6,000 employers have accessed fully funded training for their employees, covering a range of sectors, including manufacturing and engineering, retail and hospitality, creative and digital, construction, healthcare, and many more. Over 30,000 participants have enrolled on a course through Workplace Learning, resulting in raised levels of qualifications, enabling them to improve their employment status, and many progressing to higher levels of training. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from one of our providers about the impact of the programme.
Hi, my name's Phil Teasdale from Enterprise Made Simple. The programme's had a massive impact on our organisation. We started with a really small contract. This was the first time we'd ever delivered accredited training, and that grew over the time period of the length of the contract. Ultimately, it's had a huge impact on the growth of the business and on the growth of the business within the local area as well. Within Stockton itself, there's been quite a lot of regeneration within the town centre, and this fund, the Workplace Learning Fund, has been key to helping us develop some of those smaller businesses within an area that's classed as deprived. It's been really good to be able to move people on, upskill them where there's been a lack of skills in the local area, and also reintroduce them to education and further education as well. That's been really good, and to see their passion for the area has been fantastic.
Hi there, my name's Helen Turley and my company is Viable SEO. I undertook the Going for Growth programme with Enterprise Made Simple. It's had quite a big impact on the business, primarily within my confidence, helping me to sort of go out networking with people, but also sort of internally within the business. The business process model has really helped the company thrive. The best thing within the training is the trainers are absolutely fantastic. They make it interactive, they make it fun for everybody, and you feel completely at ease as soon as you walk in the room. The best thing to sort of come out of the training again is the different processes that they teach you that work internally within the business.
Without the funding from the European Social Fund and Calderdale College, it would have really prevented our business from growing. So we've been able to grow and develop the business, develop our product offering and develop the training side of the business, all due to the Workplace Learning Fund. Calderdale College have been so helpful in terms of us starting and delivering this workplace learning contract. This was, as I said, this was the first time that we'd ever delivered accredited training, and because of that they've been really supportive throughout the whole process, from a support element and just a friendly voice at the end of the phone that's been able to help us at any point all the way through. So without them, this project wouldn't have been so successful for us particularly. They've been really helpful.
I'm Heather Nicholson and work for Enterprise Revolution as an administration assistant. I did the Going for Growth course run by Enterprise Made Simple. It gave me more business knowledge and helped to grow my confidence massively. The course was very interactive. You weren't just sat reading off a board or anything, and the trainers were very approachable.
The best thing about workplace learning has been the flexibility for the employers, for the small businesses that we deal with. It's been absolutely amazing to upskill those workers and those small businesses, to enable them to grow, to look to bring new people into their businesses, and then to look to sustain their businesses as well. What's been really good about workplace learning in terms of the learning itself, lots of those key learners have then gone on to progress to further qualification, accredited qualification and non-accredited qualification. It's also developed a community of businesses, of like-minded